What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the vlog. My name's Damon. It's my buddy Oliver. You guys know Dave.
What's up, guys?
And we're at the Victoria International Airport. Today's the day of yet another adventure. We're off to Los Angeles. It's gonna be pretty epic. We're going down for a drift event. That's all I can tell you. I actually don't know anything else. This is gonna be a fun day filled with all sorts of, hopefully just no drama at the border at customs. My last border crossing was pretty eventful. I got stuck there for 12 hours and was not allowed in. I'm hoping all the stuff that was an issue before is now not an issue. Pro traveling tip right here for you guys. Water and one of these energy C things. Lots of vitamin C, because airports and airplanes, easy place to get sick. And I don't want to get sick on this trip. I got work to do. You got your passport handy, opened up to the picture page?
I'm ready to go.
Oliver, for a guy that's so organized, why is he always holding us up?
You're shooting Instagram videos.
Dear journal.
Dear journal. This is it, bro. Yet another adventure.
Here we go, again.
And we're off.
Thank you.
$2,000? Yeah, right.
The high school bully that never grew up.
Food vlog today consists of a salad because I've gone vegetarian. I'm not even joking.
What's that?
Can I toss that salad for you?
Jesus. Trying to stay healthy for you guys. Planes flying, fun.
A little bit turbulence.
Yeah.
I don't know why some people get a little bit weirded out.
Some people get really worked up about it.
Hey guys.
Welcome to Seattle. SeaTac International Airport, one of the best places for fish tacos. However, I've gone vegetarian, I can't have them, so I just get to watch these guys. I'll have yet another salad. Oh. I ended up in secondary. Yeah. Almost didn't get in.
How was the check? Rubber glove?
Rubber glove was good.
I requested the aisle with no KY.
It was good. It was good. Small fingers like Dave.
Small fingers like Dave.
Let's take a train. That's the funny thing about SeaTac is this airport, you take trains to other trains to get around the airport. Like there's the other, I think we go over here, bro.
Please stand clear.
Before we
What's up, buddy?
You're
Welcome back to Los Angeles. Gonna get into some shenanigans tonight. We've been talking to Chris from Supercar Suspects and Alex Choi, Big Wang Gang. I don't have my car though.
We're going to bed at 11.
We're not going to bed at 11. Listen here, wet blanket. Okay, buddy. Off to our rental. No idea what Oliver got us. We got a car. We got a car. We got a car. We got a car. You guys got exotic cars here? Let's do this.
Got a Corvette.
Ferrari, Lambo. What do we got? Did you just say a Corvette's a supercar? Wow. Let's do this.
That's not a GTR, guys. Am I right? Am I right?
Do you need a license?
License to love.
Convertible BMW?
Yeah, but it costs extra. Pawn Star style, you know?
Oh, Oliver, this is right up your alley here, bro.
Oh, Transit? It's all initials. What do you think?
Wet blanket signing his life away.
Yeah.
That's it.
Decline all the insurance.
Alamo now owns your soul.
Damon's credit card? You're welcome.
Yeah, my credit card? Damn! Dude, we
Back
should have
case
got a
channel.
Corvette. Look at this thing. Is that us?
That's us.
Caddy. We got
Appreciate the
XTS
effort.
3.6. Make this happen. Yeah. Oh, they always said you could put a lot, you could put the most bodies or money in the back of a caddy. Whoop. We need it too for Oliver's.
It's just like the
Wow.
Well, it was a big trunk.
It was. Until the hair products bag got in there.
Running down. Like, who's driving this thing?
Who's been driving? You're like in Dave's lap.
That's cool.
Look at that thing. Green G-Wagon.
Look good.
It's got air ride or something. Oh. What do we got? We've got a 488. We got a 458 Special. We got some really fancy old school classic. Last time we were here, we saw a LaFerrari.
Yep.
Beverly Hills Ferrari, guys. Let's go a little further and we'll have a look at what's at Beverly Hills McLaren.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh! What? Okay, I gotta get out to see this. P1 GTR. Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa. We found something very special. Not just a P1, but a P1 GTR. Look at the stance on this thing, hey? This is the first time you've seen one?
In the flesh, yeah.
What do you think?
It's nuts.
It's on another level, isn't it? Yeah, it's got the little radio antenna on the top. Because this is a full-on race car. I wonder if this is one of the street legal ones.
It's got lights.
Yeah, so they're like $5 million right now, I believe. That thing is crazy.
Look at the color. Look at the steering wheel on the seat.
I want to come here tomorrow and like actually see it on the inside.
It's like a green, isn't it?
Yeah, it's
Like
green with orange.
Yeah.
All right, we are on the hunt to meet up with Alex Choi. He's somewhere down here. Told us to meet us over on Rodeo. We did like 4 hot laps, but couldn't find him. Oh, they got an SV over here. Yeah, 488 Spider. 911R. Cool. And we've got a caddy rental. We'll see you tomorrow. Guys, Alex is pulled over by the police. We're gonna go do some paparazzi action right now. Oh, turn left here, turn left here. Oliver, you've got this, bro. You've got this.
I think David says,
Dude, that's so much confidence.
What?
David says, follow this.
Follow. Yeah, you got, oh! Oh, you chirped our rental? Holy.
Is it right?
Yeah, take a right here.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there he is. Right there. Dave, get out. Let's go. What did he do? Alex! The wing. They don't like his wing. Yeah. Okay, we're here. We're reporting on the scene. Dave?
Yes.
So, Los Angeles.
Yep.
We're in Beverly Hills. Beverly Hills PD are not happy with the size of the wing on this Lamborghini.
It's too big.
It's too
Too
big.
big, it's too wide.
It's way too big.
Sticks out too far.
What happens when you have a big wing? This is what happens.
Police harassment. They're jealous.
Maybe a little too much pink.
Maybe. Maybe.
Pulled over in Beverly Hills. Multiple police officers, multiple cars.
This might be the most hated car in Beverly Hills.
I'm gonna go with yes.
It might be.
I got pulled over because I don't have a bumper.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, I even have my plate.
There's nothing illegal about that.
I know.
Your actual bumper's behind the cover anyhow.
I know.
Here we go. We're gonna get some real action here, guys.
I'm gonna cite you for the proper headlamps. Don't lie to the police. We told my partner. Did you
going.
This cop is not happy. He's yelling at him.
I'm right here in your red box.
Is that no front bumper?
Sorry?
Oh, it's bumper cover. They're mad he doesn't have a bumper cover. Wow. That's one crazy wing. You're good. You're good. Sorry, my dad's learning how to drive still. Let's see what he has to say to Alex.
Hey.
How are you?
Good, what about you?
What was that? You learning how to like do handshakes from
This
Dave?
is what we do in America.
This is what
Here,
we
I'll
do.
teach you. This is it. Right there. I don't know what you Canadians do, but
Let's go look at this thing, man. I haven't seen it yet. This thing's cool. Almost looks like the exact same wing. Holy bro. Are we even picking this up?
wow.
I wonder why they pulled you over.
Wait, hold on.
I didn't even notice.
Wow.
Wait, don't put that clip in. Don't put that clip in.
Don't put that clip in. Okay, we're definitely putting that clip in. So, I'm gonna give it to the cop. Those are definitely illegal.
Yeah.
Pink headlights?
No, that's what he cited me for. You didn't cite me for it.
Alright.
No, he pulls me over for having no bumper. And he's like, dude, you can't have a back bumper in your car. And I was like, okay, give me the ticket then. And then he like walks around, takes a look around my car. Oh wait, this is illegal also. So I pulled you over for no bumper, but I'm just gonna decide to write you a ticket for the headlight tints anyways.
That happens. The headlight tint's super legit.
No, I think I think the dude knew that.
Oh.
Like, oh, it doesn't fit. Look at this.
No?
It looks like it's open, right?
Oh, mine's open, but you know what mine is? Mine's my bumper sagging from the snowplow video.
Oh Jesus.
So this is the most entertainment we've had. We've just gotten off the plane and Alex is providing all this fun entertainment for you. So
Officer Honda.
are all tickets in California, like they don't tell you how much they are?
No, they don't. Is that a thing in Canada? They tell you how much they are?
Oh yeah, like the actual amount is written right on the ticket.
Oh no, they send you a letter, they tell you how much it is, and you just have the choice to pay it or show up to court.
Crazy. All right, let's talk about this because this is sick. Like, that's a real commitment you made though to basically exposing all of this.
There's like a little piece of like screw.
Oh my god.
Dude, crushing it.
We're with a real celebrity here. We are with a real celebrity here, guys, in Beverly Hills. What do you have to say, Alex Troy, about the girls screaming at you as they drove by? No comment. No comment. What is this, like gold?
That's heat insulation tape.
Heat insulation tape. What? Do you have to put that there?
No.
Did you put it there, or was it?
Come right here and look up.
That is heat insulation tape. That is crazy.
Cool, man.
It's got like that McLaren F1 look.
Did you get one of these backup camera brackets?
I did. I did.
Yeah.
That's so. What's going on with the exhaust? Talk us through this. Hello.
It's just 3-inch titanium double-barreled shotguns.
So that's coming straight off the header.
Pretty much. You can
Holy
actually see
crap.
the catalytic converter down there.
Really? You guys see that? Oh yeah.
Glows in the dark.
Does it have to get super hot to do that?
Yeah, it just glows all the time.
Really?
Yeah.
This is pretty neat to see a Huracan like in this state. These are freaking like.
I was standing on this, jumping off of it.
You can stand on it.
I don't know if it could support your weight.
No, you, not me. What? What?
I'm not calling a guy fat.
What?
You're right.
Did I just get called fat? Jump up there. I got to see you stand on this wing. You got to prove it to the DD crew. Oh, there's definitely I saw the technique of how to get on and get your legs in. All right. 1 foot. Oh, 0. That's got like 0 flex. That's the ride or surf the back of the Lambo position. So
It's like heated and everything. It's really nice.
it's warm.
You get your butt warmers while you're eating lunch.
Oh, that's one way to do it. We gotta check out the exhaust here.
hurt.
Oh,
1 second. I got winded from that.
I have no idea why you get pulled over all the time. Like, no idea. That
was evil.
is beyond nuts. You see Oliver cover his ears? He's freaking out.
That was loud.
Okay,
That's worse than yours. Give me a headache.
Dad, what do you think of the exhaust?
Why are you calling him dad?
Oh yeah, a Hummer. Oh. Challenger. Come on. What do you got? Yeah. We're gonna get a BMW M4 burnout right now, down Rodeo, and then we're out. We gotta go get some sleep, guys. Roly poly. That's Rodeo Drive for you guys. Rolls Royce, just cruising. Oh snap. Woo! Look at this. From behind Alex's car where he was parked, all the way, look at these. All the way down Rodeo. And there's still smoke haze. Yes. All right, guys, smash that subscribe button, throw us a thumbs up, go and pick up some Daily Driven Exotics merch at shopdde.com. We'll see y'all tomorrow. We got a big event, it's gonna be a lot of fun. Hey, thanks to Alex Choi for the entertainment with the no bumper police drama. Peace.
Won't let me do it.
Burnout.
Ready?
Yeah.
Everything is caught. It's everything it's got.